Keeping your vehicle in top shape is essential for ensuring safety, performance, and longevity. Gone are the days when car maintenance relied solely on manual checks and trips to the mechanic. Today, a range of smart apps and gadgets can help you monitor, diagnose, and maintain your vehicle more efficiently than ever before. These tools can alert you to potential issues before they become serious problems, save you money on repairs, and keep your car running smoothly. Let's explore some of the best apps and gadgets for smart car maintenance that every driver should consider. OBD2 Scanners. One of the most useful gadgets for car maintenance is the OBD2 scanner. This device plugs into your car's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard, and communicates with the car's computer system to diagnose issues. The scanner can read error codes, monitor performance metrics, and even reset check engine lights. Imagine being able to identify why your check engine light is on without making an expensive trip to the mechanic. With an OBD2 scanner, you can take control of your car's diagnostics and address issues promptly. Many of these scanners come with companion apps that display data in an easy-to-understand format, making it simpler for car owners to understand what's going on under the hood. Tire pressure monitoring systems. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. A tire pressure monitoring system continuously monitors the pressure in your tires and alerts you if it drops below a safe level. Driving with underinflated tires can lead to blowouts, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased wear and tear. A TPM test ensures that you always know the status of your tires, keeping you safe on the road. These systems are relatively easy to install and use, providing real-time updates on tire pressure directly to your smartphone or a dedicated display. By maintaining optimal tire pressure, you can enhance your vehicle's performance and safety, making every drive more secure. Smart dash cams. Dash cams have become increasingly popular for recording driving footage, but smart dash cams take it a step further. These devices offer features like collision detection, GPS tracking, and even voice commands. Having a smart dash cam can be invaluable in the event of an accident, providing clear evidence of what happened. It can also help you monitor driving habits and improve safety. Picture this. You're cruising through a picturesque mountain pass, and your dash cam captures a stunning sunset or a deer darting across the road, moments you can relive and share with friends. Advanced models offer high-resolution recording, night vision, and automatic save features in case of a collision, making them a comprehensive tool for safety and documentation. Vehicle health monitoring apps. There are numerous apps designed to help you keep track of your vehicle's health and maintenance needs. These apps can log service records, schedule maintenance, and even provide reminders for upcoming services. Using a vehicle health monitoring app ensures that you never miss a service and can keep a detailed history of your car's maintenance. This can be particularly useful if you plan to sell your car in the future. Many apps also integrate with OBD2 scanners for detailed diagnostics, giving you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. By having all this information at your fingertips, you can proactively manage your car's maintenance, avoiding costly repairs and extending the life of your vehicle. Battery monitors. A healthy battery is essential for your car's operation. Battery monitors keep track of your battery's voltage and charge levels, alerting you to potential issues before your car fails to start. With a battery monitor, you can avoid the inconvenience of a dead battery and ensure that your car's electrical system is functioning properly. These devices provide real-time updates on battery voltage and send notifications if the battery is running low. Some models even offer historical data tracking, allowing you to monitor battery performance over time. This can help you identify patterns and address issues before they become serious problems, ensuring that your car is always ready to go when you are. Fuel economy apps. Fuel economy apps help you track your fuel consumption and identify ways to improve efficiency. These apps can provide insights into your driving habits and suggest adjustments to save fuel. By using a fuel economy app, you can become a more efficient driver and reduce your fuel expenses, making your driving experience more economical. These apps log fuel consumption, calculate costs, and analyze trip data to offer tips on improving fuel efficiency. For instance, they might suggest maintaining a steady speed, avoiding sudden acceleration, or reducing idle time. By following these recommendations, you can lower your fuel costs and reduce your environmental footprint, making each trip more sustainable. Smart tire inflators. A smart tire inflator is a portable device that makes it easy to maintain proper tire pressure. These gadgets can be programmed to inflate your tires to a specific pressure and often come with digital displays for accuracy. With a smart tire inflator, you can quickly address low tire pressure and ensure that your tires are always properly inflated, improving safety and performance. These devices are compact and easy to use, making them perfect for road trips or daily commutes. Imagine the convenience of being able to inflate your tires anywhere, anytime, without the need to find a gas station or service center. A smart tire inflator ensures that your tires are always in optimal condition, contributing to better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. Car Care apps. Car Care apps are comprehensive platforms that offer a wide range of features, from maintenance scheduling to expense tracking. These apps provide a holistic approach to vehicle management, ensuring that all aspects of your car's health are monitored. By using a Car Care app, you can manage your vehicle's health efficiently and stay on top of all maintenance needs, ensuring that your car remains in top condition. These apps often include reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine services, as well as diagnostic tools that work with OBD-IFIA scanners. They also track maintenance costs, helping you budget for future expenses and identify trends that could indicate potential issues. Advanced tracking and diagnostics. Telematics devices provide advanced tracking and diagnostics for your vehicle. These gadgets can monitor driving behavior, vehicle location, and performance metrics, offering valuable insights for both personal and fleet management. Telematics devices can help you become a more informed driver and optimize your vehicle's performance. For fleet managers, these devices offer a comprehensive solution for tracking and managing multiple vehicles. They provide real-time location updates, track speed, braking, and acceleration patterns, and monitor engine performance and fuel efficiency. By analyzing this data, you can improve driving habits, enhance safety, and reduce operating costs. Embracing smart car maintenance. The advent of smart car maintenance tools and apps has revolutionized the way we care for our vehicles. From OBD-IFIA scanners and tire pressure monitoring systems to smart dash cams and vehicle health monitoring apps, these gadgets provide invaluable assistance in maintaining your car's performance and safety. By incorporating these technologies into your routine, you can stay ahead of potential issues, save money on repairs, and ensure that your vehicle remains in optimal condition. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new car owner, embracing smart car maintenance tools is a step towards a more efficient and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of smart car maintenance. If you found this video informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and reviews on the latest automotive innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drive smart, stay informed, and keep your vehicle in top shape.